जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया, पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया. It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया. It happens only in India. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए. मुंह से तो कुछ ना बोले, चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए.
Here we have Nirav will talk about GIBV and the program of the day. So please Nirav, go ahead.
Global Indian for Bharat Vikas and overseas friend of BJP organize a unity walk today in Chicago. We have over 200 people are joining this event. And this event is also supporting Shri Narendra Bhai Modi to become a Prime Minister. And we want to make some awareness to the NRIs to help the upcoming biggest democracy election.
We have Dr. Indrajit Patel is going to talk about Statue of Unity and Statue of Unity and further more detail.
Bharat Mata Ki Jai. We had Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Statue of Unity to be built up near the Sardar Patel Dam, Narmada Dam in Gujarat. We be the tallest freestanding building in the tallest freestanding statues in the world. Height could be 182 meters, 660 feet tall. And we Chicago friends have attempted to raise the money by selling the silver coins, memorable coins for Statue of Unity. The coin is made up of the 20-gram silver with the picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gandhiji's, and the message from Narendra Bhai Modi. We appeal all the Chicago's peoples and the NRI people to help and support the Statue of Unity coins and support the BJP's, overseas friend of BJP's, and also we will do hard for the Narendra Bhai Modi to post him as the PM of the India. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Guys, today is a very blessed day. Today we are celebrating Republican Day as well as we are having a unity walk. What I wanted to rephrase it, we are here united for unity walk, and we also want to make sure that US and India relations stay stronger and stronger, and we are expecting that, and that has to happen. And community has to united for pro-India policy from United States. And they are holding on HR 17 bill that is not good for India, and we are absolutely united and against US policy, and we will be making sure that all NRIs and diaspora will be united for that, and we are representing with this unity walk that we are united for all Indian cause.
Namaskar, good evening, Sat Sri Akal, and Jai Shri Krishna. As we know, we are celebrating the unity walk. The mean unity taking everybody together. 2014 is very important. for the Janam Bhoomi as well as for the Karam Bhoomi. Why? 65 years of being republic, we are still, there was a thing happened in India, New Delhi, and people have given a sample vote to another party. But still the problems are not over. We always say you have to trust a brand. Now give it to BJP. This is a call. I, on behalf of all the women living in United States of America, appeal to everyone, please make sure that call your friends, family, that we can make a difference. 60 years, we are still slaves. We were slaves before, we are still slaves. But don't we want? I was watching a debate yesterday that the parade which is taking place on the 26th January in New Delhi, we are showing the number, but we are not showing our quality. We are still not made the high quality equipments what we need for our forces. We have the third largest army, but do we have the quality products? So I think we need a Gujarat model to repeat. Let's give him a chance. Narendra Modi, what he has done to Gujarat, that can happen to India. With this vision, we'll all here together on Devon Avenue, January 26, 2014, शंखनाद यहीं से बजेगा. जब हमने गदर किया था, वो गदर मूवमेंट भी यहीं से हुआ था. And today, we're going to repeat the history. Thank you very much.
देश का नेता कैसा हो?
नरेंद्र मोदी जैसा हो.
Thank you, folks. And appealing again on behalf of all the women living here, please call your friends and family. ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश 3 थे, शक्ति 1 थी. फिर भी हम शक्ति की पूजा करते हैं. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि women can make a difference. Thank you.
Happy Republican Day. As we all know, Narendra Modi has done a great job, which is completely proven, not only in India, all over the world, people are knowing. Narendra Modi is the leader. He knows what to do to come up our state or even whole India ahead of the game. If we are lucky and if you are working too hard to make him our Prime Minister, of course, India will be all together on the different position. We are doing good last 65 years. But if we would have Narendra Modi since so long, we would have done even better than what we are doing today. So please, let us make Narendra Modi our Prime Minister, and we will see the big difference in our future. All the best. Good luck, Narendra Modi ji.
Overseas Friends of BJP Global Meet. We welcome you.
Yeah, thank you. I just came from India. I was with the Overseas Friend of BJP's Global. I got an opportunity to meet our President Rajnath Singh ji. I met with all the VIPs, and I represent Chicago, and I promised them that I'll tell my Chicago people, each will call to their people, those who are voters, and tell them to vote BJP. Simple word, call your people in India, vote for BJP. And I promise that we are almost 3,000 people in Chicago. If we call 3,000 people, it will be 30,000, and we will make a difference. This walk will prove the development of Indian people. We all are with United Front. We are working for the community, and we are for the development of Indian community people. Thank you. Jai Bharat.
Narendra Bhai Modi is a great chief minister, and we want his strategy and his ideology to be applied to all over the India. He is for all communities and all states. Please elect Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of India. Thank you. Jai Bharat.
Namaste. My name is Hemant Kare, and I would like to talk few words about Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. Before Narendra Bhai Modi ji, we have not heard anything about India first. Before Narendra Bhai Modi, we did not hear anything about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. We have not heard about development for all and appeasement of none. So we really want a leader who is highly organized, highly planned, highly skilled, and who is a patriot and a nationalist leader. So everyone in India needs to join our hands and give him a chance to be a national leader and be a Prime Minister of India, which will take us to a great levels and which will help to enable and empower India. Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
On this auspicious occasion of Republic Day, we appeal everybody to vote for Shri Narendra Modi ji, because he is the only capable Prime Minister. As we know, in past 2 or 3 years, we have lost a valuable life of our soldiers. So if we have a minister like Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, probably that would have not happened, because our soldiers are very precious to us, because they protect us round the clock and save us from us from the enemies. So please go for Narendra Modi and vote for him. Thank you and have a great day.